Magsisimula sa panalangin, matatapos sa panalangin. May nagtanong sa akin noon, "Ate, when is the best time to pray?" And I just realized that the best time to pray is when you don't feel like doing it. Kapag tinatamad ka na, kapag nananawa ka na, kapag hirap ka na, doon mo gawin. Doon ka lumuhod at manalangin ulit. We need God, not just when our pocket is empty, but also when it is full. Kailangan natin siya hindi lang kapag mahirap na ang lahat para sa atin, pero kapag maayos at payapa pa rin ang lahat. It is when we pray that we refrain from hearing the noises around us. Na-remind tuloy ako about sa Matthew chapter 14 verse 23. When Jesus went up a hill by himself to pray, after a long and tiring day of doing ministry, alam niya kung saan siya babalik. He isolated himself to pray. Ganun kahalaga ang panalangin. Dear, don't underestimate what your prayers can do to you and to the person around you. Manalangin ka, hindi lang kapag may hihingiin ka, pero dahil makikipag-usap ka sa Kanya. Have you prayed yet? With love and prayers, Noel.